You're watching DDM TV.
Hey guys! Let me flip the camera so you can see what Josh is. Josh is trying to take my car right now that he never paid for. My car! In the name of my dealership. And he thinks he's going to take it. Say hi, Josh. You're on Facebook. You're not taking my car. Josh Point Squaw, the douchebag idiot that he is, thinks that he's going to take my car that I paid for. The dealer plate is in Ride and Pride. This is my car. This is my dealership car. Get out of my car before I have you arrested. Get him out. Get him out. This is my car. I'm not getting off of this car. Josh thinks he's going to take this car from me when that sorry never paid one penny for it. Because you know what Josh is? He's a user. He's a user, he's a loser, and he's dumb as a sack of bricks.
I definitely want to buy a car from this lady. We simply must know where we can purchase our high-quality automobiles. Texting, left lane camping, and driving into an absurd sun glare. This guy was absolutely trying for a Darwin Award.
Good.
This driver parks his car in the middle of the road and goes into a shop. Probably one of the only scenarios I'd be actually willing to get out of my car and ask what's up, because this is just baffling. The distracted driving problem is out of control. I see people doing the telltale smartphone while driving, head dip, and or slow and weave all the drivers always seem to forget they're dead last on the right-of-way list. I love how so many of the people who floor it to a red light tend to be the same type of person that takes 3 seconds to realize the light has turned green. The driver pump faked a car accident. This is absolutely crazy. I think the issue here is the road design itself. On this curve, it's on the crest of a hill, so it's blind and weird to get a proper steering angle. 5-second delay rule. Look left, look right, and look left again. To heck with the people honking.
What in the hell are you doing?
If insurance wasn't exchanged, then you can bet that neither of them had it. You know, that's actually a felony in Virginia. The charge is called missile at vehicle. The Amazon truck just stops after seeing the accident, and the white SUV moved into the intersection to get out of the cop's way, but then seemingly just stays there, the cop just moving right along, not noticing. From his perspective, he sees the blue truck move into the turning lane with no one behind it. He looks right and then sees that he has time before the black truck arrives and decides to go. He looks left again as the camera comes around the blue truck. The camera was found at fault for failure to yield to oncoming traffic. The camera claims that the truck was on his phone, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter. Half of all drivers seem to think that paint on the road is a pretty decoration and all the colors and shapes don't matter. So I'm not surprised at this. Probably riding on tires with no tread. Imagine chilling in the left lane at a light and somehow getting hit from the left. At least the camera's sound system is on point. That has to be the best sounding dashcam footage I've ever heard. That could have been a lot worse than it was. Thankfully, the drunk idiot didn't hurt anyone. Most have a rule against lane changing within a certain number of feet of an intersection. The car eventually gets pulled over and changed lanes within an intersection. The cop ran the plates and pulled them shortly after. The amount of idiots willing to risk it all to pull out 2 seconds sooner is pretty terrifying. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I hope I can post more for y'all in the near future. With love, DDS.